Stuck in a neon plan that no longer fits your vibe? Maybe you need more data to fuel your late-night scrolling, or perhaps you're looking to trim down and save some cash. Whatever the reason, you are probably wondering, how do I actually change my neon plan? Well, you've landed in the right place. Navigating the world of mobile plans can sometimes feel like deciphering an ancient scroll, but don't worry, changing your neon plan doesn't have to be a headache. In this video, we're going to break down the different ways you can adjust your current subscription and find the perfect fit for your needs. First things first, the easiest and often the quickest way to manage your Neon plan is through the official Neon app. If you haven't already downloaded it, now's the perfect time. It's your digital gateway to everything Neon, right at your fingertips. Once you've got it installed and you're logged in, look for a section usually labeled something like Account, My Plan, or Subscription. Tap on that, and you should see the details of your current plan laid out. Within this section, you'll likely find an option to change plan or upgrade/downgrade. Clicking on this will usually present you with a list of available Neon plans, outlining their data allowances, call and text inclusions, and, of course, the price. Take your time to browse through these options, carefully considering your usage habits. Do you find yourself constantly hitting your data limit? Maybe a plan with more gigabytes is the way to go. On the other hand, if you're mostly on Wi-Fi and don't make many calls, a more basic plan could save you money each month. Another convenient way to explore plan changes is through the Neon website. Simply head to the official Neon website and log into your account. Similar to the app, you should be able to find a section dedicated to your current plan details and options for modification. The layout might be a little different, but the core functionality remains the same, allowing you to view available plans and select the one that suits you best. Now, what if you're not a fan of apps or websites? No problem at all. Neon also offers traditional customer support channels. You can usually find a customer service number listed on the Neon website or perhaps even on your bill. Give them a call, and a representative will be happy to walk you through the available plan options and help you make the switch. Be prepared to provide some identification details to verify your account. Sometimes, Neon might even have physical stores or authorized dealers in your area. Visiting one of these locations can provide a more personal touch. You can speak directly with a representative, ask questions face-to-face, and have them guide you through the plan change process. This can be particularly helpful if you have more specific questions or need clarification on any of the plan features. Before you finalize any changes, make sure to carefully review the details of your new plan, including the monthly cost, data allowance, and any other included services. Pay attention to when the new plan will take effect. It's usually at the start of your next billing cycle. Also, be aware of any potential fees associated with changing your plan, although these are becoming less common. So, whether you prefer the convenience of an app, the familiarity of a website, the direct interaction of a phone call, or a face-to-face conversation, Neon provides multiple avenues for you to adjust your mobile plan. Take a few moments to assess your needs, explore the available options through your preferred method, and make the switch to a plan that truly works for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.